guys, we asked our Instagram followers a few fun questions about our new season, and we were surprised by some of these answers.
Based on our Stargirl interview, we asked if you could have a superpower, would you rather fly or read minds? 58% said fly, and 42% said read minds.
We also asked if you could have a superpower, would you rather be invisible or have super strength? 62% said invisible, while 38% said they would rather have superhuman strength.
I'm just curious, guys, what superpowers would you choose?
I personally would choose to fly because I don't think I would want to be able to read everyone's mind because it kind of makes me, I don't know, a little weirded out. And I love to travel and fly and go wherever.
I would choose to be invisible because I think it would be super fun to sneak up and surprise your friends.
I think I would definitely pick flying because I would love going places by myself whenever I wanted to. And reading someone's mind would probably not be as fun as flying.
I definitely would choose to fly because I love traveling and I feel like I'd just be upset all the time knowing what everybody thinks about me.
Yeah. We asked some healthy eating questions too.
Meat eater or vegetarian/other? 83% said meat eater.
Do you know how to cook your favorite dinner recipe? Yes or no? 54% said yes.
Have you ever taken a cooking class? Yes or no? 72% of people said no.
Do you save room for dessert or eat the appetizer? 62% said eat the appetizer, and I definitely agree with that. When I go to a restaurant, I'm always so hungry and I'm ready to eat, and I always have bigger eyes than I have a stomach, so I eat so much or order so much, and I definitely never have room for dessert.
See, I always save room for dessert because, to be quite honest with you, I'd rather have the dessert than the meal.
Yeah, same with me. I think the dessert just tastes so much better. You know what I mean?
All right, on to basic safety. We asked, have you ever taken a self-defense class? 52% said yes.
We also asked, have you ever met a friend online and then met him in person later? 59% said yes.
Another question we asked was, do you have a code word with your parents to get out of uncomfortable situations? 56% of people said no, and 44% of people said yes.
Then we asked, on your phone, is your location set to public or private? 81% said private.
Personally, for me, I don't have Snapchat location because I don't have Snapchat, but my normal location I do have on.
Yeah, for me, I've always had Snapchat and I've always kept my location off, but it surprises me that 81% of people say the same because a lot of people that I follow on Snapchat, I can track their location. It just seems really scary to me that a lot of people can know where everyone else is.
You never know what's going to happen. If you're on vacation and somebody sees your location, somebody you don't know, a stranger, it can be really dangerous. So I decided to turn mine off.
Yeah, I really don't want people knowing where I am. It's just kind of weird to think about.
Finally, we asked them emergency, life-saving questions.
We asked, do you know CPR? 52% said yes.
And if you do know CPR, would you feel confident performing it on somebody that's experiencing a cardiac event? 50% of people said yes, and 50% of people said no.
We then asked, do you know what an Aed is and when it would be used? 58% of people said yes.
Personally, I don't know what it is, so if one of you could explain it to me, that would be great.
Essentially what it is it's used in a cardiac event whenever you need to restart someone's heart. And I'm surprised that so many people don't know what it is because my school has been doing a lot of assemblies on it to make sure that people know what they're doing.
Yeah, all the way through school, I remember seeing them in the hallways and things, but I never knew how to use one, so thank you for clearing that up, Charlie.
Here's one that many kids and adults seem to wrestle with. Are you planning to get your flu shot this year? 85% of our followers said yes.
Because this is such an important topic and it can cause some controversy, we decided to bring in a professional.
Get a flu shot. Every year, flu comes through the community in the winter months, and many of us will get sick. Some of us will get very sick, like can't get your head off the pillow sick. Imagine what would happen if you got coronavirus and influenza at the same time. Suddenly, an illness that's not too bad for young people is terrible. So get a flu shot. It's safe, it's effective, and no, it can't make you sick. Get a flu shot.
Thanks, Dr. Wilson. To join the conversation and see what other teens think about these topics and more, follow Navigating Teen Life on Instagram.